Hello, my name is Raquel Graham. I'm an inventor, a serial entrepreneur, and a proud member of CEEM.
Hi, my name is Brandon Ivey. I'm the CEO of Ivy League Crypto Academy, a Morehouse grad, and a proud member of CEEM.
My name is Christy Eddy. I'm an educator of over 15 years, a children's book author, a CEEM business owner, and a proud member of CEEM.
I'm Tashaka Armstrong. I'm an Emmy and Edward R. Murrow Award-winning tech journalist, media consultant, and a proud member of CEEM.
I'm Brian Kennedy with Ampac Business Capital. I'm an entrepreneur, a visionary entrepreneur, and a proud member of CEEM.
Hi, everyone. My name is Callie Clerkley. I'm a Los Angeles-based entrepreneur, a graduate of USC, and a proud member of CEEM.
What's up, y'all? My name is Willie Curley. I strongly believe in Black economic empowerment. I am the community liaison at CEEM, and of course, I'm a proud member.